I am Alicia. I am a production technician here at BJB. I worked for a pharmaceutical for 20 years. Brian gave me the opportunity to do he had a project, so I came in and he asked if I was interested, and I said, of course I am. What gets me going in the morning? I guess it's coffee. And then it's the positive attitude of everyone here. My first day I started, I was nervous. Everyone was like, hi, how are you doing? And I was like, hi. Any questions that I had, they gave me the tools and the answers I needed. In the morning, I say, good morning, good morning, good morning, just to get a smile and some positive energy. Everybody's always open into ideas. They're always, you comment something, you say, oh, this and this and this. They take it in consideration. I put in just as much into training as I have learned. When the newbies come here, it's always about trying to make them feel comfortable and welcome. I like learning, I like knowing, and if there's an opportunity and I'm able to learn something new, I'll go for it. I'm Alicia Zarraga and I'm Team BJB.